Hoover Dam. Here we are. We are at the Hoover Dam. You can't see it yet, but we're going to the Hoover Dam on our way to Las Vegas. So, here we go.
Wow. Yeah, wow.
Why would it flood? I thought the water would be higher than that.
They probably let it down. So the water
it's higher at different times.
Just be quiet, everyone.
So there wouldn't be so much pressure on the dam. Like me.
Hoover Dam. Profile.
On the dam.
Going across the
Take pictures. We're over the dam. No, I'm gonna take it.
On top of the dam.
Whoa.
What is that over there, Ben? It's where they film Transformers.
On the dam. Should just let us hop on right here.
Except they like edited all of these power lines out. They did.
They're like negative.
Look at all the boats over there.
Oh, stupid.
Look at the mountains.
See where the white is? That's where the water goes up to.
Hoover Dam, 1931 to 1935.
Valentine.
That's right where they filmed it, like right there.
Oh, like look down like this little walkway.
sign right there, Hoover Dam. That one right there.
Okay.
35.
No, I already got.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get out. Where's the front of it?
We're here at the Hoover Dam. I'm just giving you a quick view. You can see some of it right there. Daniel taking pictures. And we are parked on level 5, so we're waiting for an elevator to get down. Okay, we're here in the bowels of the Hoover Dam. So we're on the dam tour, so here we go. Hoover Dam. Okay, record when we get there. One of the tunnels.
You won't be blocking my
These
view.
are the turbines that produce energy from the Hoover Dam.
On behalf of the United States Department of the Interior and the Bureau of Reclamation, I would like to welcome all of you to the Nevada wing of the Hoover Dam Power Plant. This is a
Quick little video of Poppy reading the signs. There he is, reading everything about the Hoover Dam. Make sure you read everything, Poppy.